Hello! Today we're going to show you how to organize your project dashboard and find projects within it. We have two main views, what we call a panel view and a list view. You will be able to switch from one to the other at any time. Within the panel view, you will see the different project stages as colored boxes with projects within them. You can open and collapse them, or move them in order to show first those that are more relevant to you. You will also be able to reorder projects within a status, so the teams working on that stage know what has more priority. Within the panel view, it is possible to assign requests directly to another user from the project overview. Moving on to the list view, you will be able to sort projects by any of the columns on the screen: name, status, due dates. You can always reset the order to the original one. When your workload starts growing, filtering can be a great way to make it easier to focus. You can filter on project's name, owner, assignment, project status, or due dates. Filters can be combined, and they work across all project views. You will be warned if a filter is in place. If you want to remove all filters, remove search terms and click Apply. As always, if you run into some issues, be sure to check our knowledge resources, our help area, or contact us. Cheers and have a great day!